Choose the Type tool. Go to Window and choose Character. I'm using integral font. Write your word. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T, rotate it and scale it. While holding the Shift button, right-click and choose Warp. Adjust it accordingly. When you finish, press Enter. Choose this layer, press Ctrl-J to make a copy, put it on top of the layers. Hide this layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Show this layer. Add a layer mask, click on the mask and press Ctrl-I to invert it. Now choose the Brush tool. The brush size. Start brushing.